Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Monday, October 19th, 7:41 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. All right, a beautiful green mixed in the market today, not totally green, but Bitcoin is pumping this morning, which is good to see. We'll go take a look at that. Coin 360 seems to be lagging. Bitcoin is 11,600 plus against Tether on Binance. It's not quite showing that here on Coin 360, but definitely we got a greenish looking market this morning. ADA is positive, up 2% plus. XMR and XLM are both up above 5%. Ethereum finally back in the green, up over 1%. And Binance really is up over, I think, 3% if we look at the real numbers. Volume last 24 hours for Bitcoin, 715 million. Not too bad for a Monday morning. Got a pump going on. The top exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Binance really blowing Coinbase and Kraken away more than it usually does this morning, coming in at 414 million of that 715 million in trading volume last 24 hours. Longs versus shorts sentiment on Binance is 59% long, 40% short. So we're starting the day where the volume is with a long sentiment. Looking at S&P 500 or Russell 2000, US dollar strength and bank strength this morning with the KRE at the bottom. So S&P 500, we're starting with a red candle this morning. The Russell 2000, we are starting with a slight green candle. Dollar strength index is definitely a bit of a red candle, taking a little bit of a dump this morning. It is below the 200 moving average, do note that. And then something new that I've been watching is the KRE. It has been recently, last couple of days, approaching that 200 moving average. It is a green candle this morning, so it looks like banks are waking up okay on Monday. U.S. banks, that is. All right, Tether USD on Binance. On the daily chart, well above the 200 moving average, a beautiful green candle this morning. Very, very positive MACD. Looking at the 4-hour chart, you can definitely see this beautiful green candle we got going this morning, well above the 200 moving average. Directional index is green, ADX is a little low, who cares? The RSI definitely has a bit of space to move up before it needs to cycle back down and take a rest. Look at the 45-minute chart. You can see this beautiful pump. We're beginning to level out at 11,630 to 11,650. We're beginning to level out there a little bit. This red line here, this red moving average that I put in, you can see it right here. That is the 8 moving average. Usually you're not going to get too far or below that. It tends to be where you're going to kind of hang out. So if you get below it, you're going to return to it. If you get below it, if you get above it, you're going to return to it. So we've pumped well above it. I imagine we're going to just chill a little bit and start working our way down, but wouldn't surprise me if we find support around 11,550 or even 11,600 and go sideways or continue moving up on this very, very short time frame. Directional index is strong. ADX is 28. That's a perfect spot for it. I'd like to see it above 25. The RSI is beginning to show a bit of a turn down as we are overbought at this point. But regardless, if we can keep a sideways above 1600 or 1500 this Monday morning, that is going to be rocking. So this beautiful pump this morning has probably dumped a lot of alt trades, but also looking at Coin 360, as you can see, even though it's lagging a bit, it is making for a green day overall. So hey, I wish everybody a good trading week. Looks like we're starting out right. If you have questions about the indicators, etc., that I use in this video, go to whatisanoperator.com, click on Bitcoin Daily View, and I do want to note there is a YouTube channel. Of course, you're watching it. Do like and share and subscribe to this. Also, there's a Telegram group now for Bitcoin Daily View. I post the charts in there that I come across during the day that look good. Of course, not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing, thinking out loud since I trade all day. And of course, these videos are posted there, and that's interactive, so you can say what you want. Feel free. Also, there's a Telegram group. Of course, it's not interactive. It just posts, but it does show. It's automated, and it shows 200 moving average crosses on Binance on a 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day chart. That's something that I definitely use when I'm trading. I think it's a powerful thing. With that said, this is Bitcoin Daily View. I'll see you again tomorrow. This looks like it's going to be a good week if Bitcoin keeps up this Monday extravagance. Take care.